Dear students, in a previous lecture, we have seen the various parts of the numbers for standard 8. Right. In today's lecture, we will discuss time and work, which is in the curriculum of 8 standard. Somewhere it is for 9 standard. Okay. So we are just discussing today the basic examples with formulas, what is work and time relation, what is piece of work, and what is complete work, and what is the relation between piece of work to complete work or complete work to piece of work. Right. So before starting the lecture, please subscribe the channel if you not subscribe, so that you will get the updates of new lectures added in future. So can we start time and work? Okay, let us see. If a person M complete a piece of work in n days, right? Then the work done by him in 1 day is equal to what? A person is doing a piece of work in n days. Okay. And so that the work done by him in 1 day is what? 1 by nth day. 1 by nth part of the, is that clear? Part of the work. Similarly, if that is a complete work is given and from it a piece work is determined, right? Now, if a person M completes 1 by nth part of the work in 1 day, then right, then he will complete the work in how many days? N days. That is vice versa. Is that clear? So here the piece of work implies a complete work. Right. So is that clear? So let us see here. You can just see it is in 1 day. Okay. Okay. This is what in 1 day, and in 1 day it is 1 by nth part of the work, because before he did the work in n days, right? And here is what the work did in 1 day. Okay, 1 by nth part. Okay, and so that the complete work will be completed in n days. Understand? Okay, so let us see the first example. The example is like this: Rakesh can do a piece of work in 20 days. How much work can he do in 4 days? That clear? So look at here, solution. So before that, just before going to start here, Rakesh can do a piece of work in how many days? 20 days. So from here we can get at the work in 1 day. We can find out. Okay, and if we multiply by this work in 1 day, so you will get work in 4 days. Okay, so let us see. Time taken by Rakesh to do the complete work is how much? 20 days. Is that clear? And therefore, work done by Rakesh in one day is what? 1 by 20th part. बराबर है 1 by 20th part. Is that clear? And so the work done by Rakesh in 4 days what? 4 into 1 by 20. Okay. And so it is equal to what? 4 1 by 4, 4 5 by 20. And so it is 1 by fifth part. Is that clear? So that is what is the answer here. So answer is 1 by fifth part of work. Is that clear? So you will complete. Now example number 2. Now what is example 2 here? Rohan can paint one third part. Rohan can paint one third part of painting. Okay. In how many days? 6 days. Okay. So how many days will he take to complete the painting? Okay. So it is very simple example. Okay. So let us see. Rohan can paint 1 by third part of painting in how many days? 6 days. Is that clear? And therefore Rohan can complete, if we double कर दिया तो कितना हो जाएगा? What will be the 1 by third part double is 2 by third part. Okay, and therefore number of days will be double, that is in 2 into 6 days, that is equal to 12 days. Okay, and therefore Rohan can complete. Okay, again, if we 3 by 3 part of painting in how many days? 3, and this is double, and this is what? 3 times. Okay, and therefore it is what? 3 into 6 days. So that is equal to how much? 18 days. Okay, and therefore Rohan complete painting in. Therefore Rohan complete painting in 18 days. That is the final answer. Okay, so let us see example 3. Okay, what is example 3? Mohan takes 9 hours to mow a large lawn. He and Sohan together can mow it in 4 hours. Okay, is that clear? What is given here? Mohan takes 9 hours to mow a large lawn, and एक lawn large lawn mow in 9 hours. Okay, he and his friend Sohan together together can do in what? How many hours? 4 hours. How long will Sohan takes to mow a lawn if he works alone? Okay, so what is given here? Here what is given? Mohan alone, one thing. Mohan and Sohan together, but Sohan alone was not given. That we have to find. Okay, so solution. Let us see. Mohan mow a large lawn in how many hours? In 9 hours. Is that clear? Now, Mohan mow a lawn in 1 hour is 1 by ninth part. बराबर है of lawn. Okay, is that clear? Mohan and Sohan complete in how many hours? 4 hours. Okay, and therefore, how much lawn will completed by Mohan and Sohan in 1 hour? So Mohan and Sohan complete in 1 hour is 1 by fourth part of lawn. Is that clear? Is that clear? So we have these four relations. Now Mohan and Sohan in 1 hour is 1 by fourth part. Okay. Now Sohan 1 hour work. Sohan 1 hour work is equal to what? Mohan and Sohan 1 hour work minus Mohan 1 hour work. बराबर है. Mohan and Sohan together 1 hour work minus Mohan's 1 hour work. So what will left? Sohan's 1 hour work. Is that clear? Now Mohan and Sohan 1 hour work is how much? We determine 1 by 4. So it is equal to 1 by 4 minus what is 1 hour work of Mohan? 1 by 9. So minus 1 by 9. So it is equal to, if we simplify this, so what you will get? 36 9 minus 4, and that is equal to 5 by 36. Okay, and this 5 by 36 can be done 1 upon 36 by 5. Is that clear? So 1 upon n, this is n, and therefore Sohan 1 hour work is 1 by n part. Okay, and therefore he will complete the whole lawn by 36 by 5 hours. Okay, and therefore Sohan can complete the work in 36 by 5 hours. That is equal to, how much? 7 1 by 5 hours. Is that clear? So Mohan 9 hours take to complete the large lawn. Okay, where Sohan can complete in 7 1 by 5 hours. Okay, so that is the answer. Now example number 4. Now example number 4 is what? 6 men can complete the electric fitting of a building in 7 days. Okay, or in a building. How many days will it take if 21 men do the job? So look at here. 6 men can complete the electric fitting of building in how many days? 7 days. Okay. And how many days if the number of men increases 6 men to 21 days? So how many days will? Okay, so let us see. 6 men can complete the electric fitting in how many days? 7 days. Is that clear? And therefore, one man can complete the electric fitting 6 men in 7 days. Okay, so one man it will 6 times days. So what will get you will? Therefore, one man can complete the electric fitting in a building in 6 into 7 is equal to 42 days. Is that clear? 42 days. Now, therefore, 21 man. 21 means what? This is one. The work number of days required by one man is 42. And if man increases 21 man, that will be 42 by 21. And therefore, 21 man can complete the electric fitting in 42 divided by 21. Okay. As man increases, number of days decreases. Okay, days. And that is equal to how many days? That is equal to 2 days. Is that clear? That is final answer. Is that clear? Now, example number 5. Okay, so let us see if 12 boys, okay, earn 12 boys earn rupees 840 in 7 days. Okay, what will 15 boys will earn in 6 days? Okay, so let away. In 7 days, 12 boys earn in 7 days how much? Rupees 840. Is that clear? Now, in one day, 12 boys will earn. Therefore, 12 boys earn in one day is equal to what? One day. From 7 day to one day we have to find. To what we do? We divide by 7. So 840 divided by 7. And that is equal to what? 7 1 is 7. 7 12 is 84 and 0. So that is equal to 120 rupees. Is that clear? Okay. And therefore, 12 boys earn in one day 120 rupees. So one boy will earn in one day. Therefore, one boy earn in one day is what? Again, this divided by 120 divided by 12. From 12 boys, we are determining one boy. So that is equal to rupees 10. Is that clear? Now, therefore, one boy will earn in 6 days. Therefore, one boy earn in 6 days. So that will be multiplied by 6. That is 6 into 10 is equal to rupees 60. One boy earn in 6 days. That is 10 into 6. And therefore, 15 boys earn in 6 days. कितना होगा 60 multiplied by 15. Therefore, 15 boys earn in 6 days is equal to 50 multiplied by 6t, and that is equal to 900 rupees. Is that clear? So you understand? From 7 days we determine one day, and then from 12 boys we determine one boy. Is that clear? And one boy one day we determine one by 6 day. Okay, and from 1/6 day we determine 15 boys 6 days. Is that clear? So it is rupees 900 is final answer. This is final answer. Is that clear? Okay, now sixth example. Let us see. Pipe A fill tank in 6 hours and pipe B in 8 hours. If both pipes are open and after 2 hours pipe A is closed, how much time B will take to fill the remaining tank? It is very simple. Look at here. Pipe A fill tank, empty tank in 6 hours. Okay. A fill in 6 hours and B in 8 hours. Okay. Is that clear? And if both pipes are open for 2 hours, open 2 hours. Okay. And after 2 hours, A is closed and B is open. Okay. So what time will take by B to fill the remaining tank? Okay. So answer देखिए. Pipe A fill the tank in 6 hours. Pipe B fill tank in 8 hours. Okay. Therefore, in 1 hour, pipe A can fill 1/6 part. And in 1 hour, pipe B can fill how much? 1 by 8 part. Is that clear? So that is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. And here what? 1 by 6 part. Is that clear? Now, therefore, in 1 hour, pipe A and B can fill the tank. How much? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. And that is equal to how much? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. That is equal to LCM is 48. Okay, so here you will get 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14 by 48. That is 2 7 die 14, 2 24 die, that is 7 by 24th part. Is that clear? So pipe in 1 hour, pipe A and B can fill 1 by 24. So now in 2 hours, pipe A and because pipe A and B both are open for 2 hours, so can fill how much? It is equal to 2 into 7 by 24. That is a 2 1 by 2, 2 12 by 24. That is 7 by 12th part of tank. Now what is 7 by 12th part of tank is filled by pipe A and B in 2 hours. So what is the empty tank left now? That is 1 minus 7 by 12. Is that clear? So full part is taken. Therefore remaining part of tank is equal to 1 minus a tank filled by A and B in 2 hours, that is 7 by 12. So what it is? It is 12 minus 7 divided by 12, that is equal to 5 by 12th part. Is that clear? 5 by 12th part. Is that clear? Now, pipe B fill tank in how much hours? What is given? Look at here. 8 hours. It is given. Is that clear? And therefore remaining part of tank filled by B is how much? Therefore remaining part of tank filled by pipe B is, okay, so what? 8 into 5 by 12. Is that clear? And so it is equal to, look at here, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, and that is equal to 10 by 3. And this is equal to 3 1 by 3. Is that clear? So how much? 3 1 by 3 hours. Okay. So is that clear? So you will get this is the final answer. Is that clear? Now look at here. This is what? Then example number 7. Look at two taps A and B can fill an overhead tank in 10 hours. Two taps. How many taps are there? Tap A, tap B. And both can fill overhead tank in 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. A by 10 hours and B by 15 hours. Both taps are open for 4 hours and B is turned on. This is the same example like example number 6 we discussed earlier. Okay, so how much time will A take to fill remaining tank? Similar, same example. Okay, so look at here. tap A fill a tank in 10 hours. Okay, tap B, tap A. Okay, therefore, from 10 hours, tap A fill in 1 hour is 1 by 10th part. Okay, tap B fill tank in how much hours? 15 hours. And therefore, tap B fill tank in 1 hour is equal to 1 by 15th part. Okay, yeah, from 10 hour it is determined 1 by 10. From 15 hours it is determined 1 by 15. Okay, now in 1 hour tap A and B together fill a tank in how many hours? 4 hours. And therefore in 4 hours tap A and B together fill tank, sorry, here in 1 hour tap A and B together fill the tank is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Okay, and that is equal to how much? 15 plus 10 upon 150, that is 25 upon 150, and that is equal to how much? 1 by 6th. Okay, and therefore in 4 hours tap A and B is 4 multiplied by 1 by 6, and that is equal to how much? This is 1 by 6. Look at here, 1 by 6. Okay, so 4 into 1 by 6 is what? 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, that is 2 by third part. Okay, and therefore remaining part of tank is what? Remaining part of tank is what? 1 minus 2 by 3. Remaining part of tank is 1 minus 2 by 3, and that is equal to 3 LCM, that is 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 3 part. Okay, and therefore A can fill tank in how many hours? 10 hours, and therefore A will take the time 10 hours into 1 by 3, and therefore remaining part of tank filled by tab A is equal to kitna? 10 into what is the remaining part? 1 by 3, and that is equal to 10 by 3, and so it is equal to 3 1 by 3 hours. Is that clear? So that is example number 7. Okay, so we have seen here the examples which can be used in daily life also. Okay, so dear students, this was the relation between time and work. Okay, so if you like the lecture, please subscribe the channel Maths Clinic Counseling. Okay, and like it, share it. Thank you. Thank you very much.